Every human on Earth shares African DNA. Here's the story. Hello. Greetings. Peace and love. Welcome to Send Me Radio. Hit the subscribe button to join this awesome community. Because today, we will be sharing one of the most extraordinary facts in science. Did you know that every single human being alive today shares roots in Africa? No matter your skin color, nationality, or language, your DNA tells a story that begins on the African continent. This isn't a theory anymore, it's a fact backed by decades of research in genetics, archaeology, and anthropology. Around 200,000 to 300,000 years ago, anatomically modern humans, Homo sapiens, first emerged somewhere in Africa. Fossil evidence and genetic studies point to regions like Eastern and Southern Africa as early homelands. But new discoveries suggest that our ancestors didn't arise from one single location. Instead, different African groups were evolving at the same time, exchanging genes, tools, and ideas. This paints a picture of Africa not as a cradle, but as a complex garden of human evolution. Through our mitochondrial DNA, passed from mother to child, we can trace our lineage to a woman nicknamed Mitochondrial Eve, who lived in Africa around 150,000 to 200,000 years ago. The male equivalent, Y chromosome Adam, also lived in Africa roughly 200,000 to 300,000 years ago. While they weren't the only people alive at their time, the genetic lines are the ones that survived and exist in all humans today. About 60,000 to 70,000 years ago, small groups of humans left Africa in waves, traveling through the Middle East and into Europe, Asia, and eventually the rest of the world. Every non-African population today descends from these brave early migrants. Even as they spread across continents, their DNA still bore the unmistakable imprint of their African origins. In recent years, African genetic diversity has revealed something even more amazing. Scientists found that people in Africa have more varied genomes than the rest of the world combined. That's because they've had more time to evolve and diversify. In other words, Africa holds the oldest and most complex record of what it means to be human. So whether you're in New York, Lagos, Tokyo, or Rio, your blood carries the legacy of Africa. You are not just a visitor in the human story. You are part of its beginning. This is not just science, it's unity in our origin. This is Send Me Radio. Join the community and help spread truth by sharing this amazing fact. One blood. From one blood, God made all nations of men, Acts 17 verse 26.